Hey guys, today we're going to learn about Claude AI. Now you do not have to have the professional plan like I have. You could just have the free plan to do this, but we're going to train how to make our responses match our own writing style. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to visit Claude AI and sign up, and then you're going to choose style right here. And after you choose style, you're going to hit create and edit styles. So that's the second thing that you do. Then you're going to hit create custom style. And then you're going to upload some writing samples to Claude that you've done yourself. So you'll have to do that. So you're going to hit add writing sample. And you're just going to upload it from your device. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit add writing style. And I'm just going to paste in some content from a blog that I wrote for my school. It's just about a new program that was introduced, and I'm going to hit create style just so that you could see how it actually will work. And you could always update and edit this, but it's just analyzing my writing. And then it's saying deliver informative educational updates with professional enthusiasm, engaging clarity. That is pretty much me. So I could either edit it or I can preview an example. So you can hit like, oh, marketing blog post or educational content, customer email, product review. Let's try customer email. Okay, so now you can just go back and notice that now Learning Catalyst is one of my writing styles. So that's the way that they categorized me. And so I could just go here and say, create an email. And, you know, I'm just doing this live just to see. So then it might ask me, you know, like what kind of email? Okay, so they already automatically know that I'm wanting educational email. So they've made me an update email. I mean, this is pretty awesome, guys. It's literally writing like me. So it told me, I've created a professional email that introduces an educational initiative with enthusiasm while maintaining a clear, informative tone. The email includes actionable items, parent engagement opportunities, and specific program benefits. Would you like me to adjust any aspects of the content, such as the level of detail of the tone? I can also help you customize specific details like dates and contact information. So my day job, I am a reading coach, an instructional coach, and I also work with MTSS. So if you want to go back to it, you could hit this, and then you could read through it. Now, if it wasn't what you wanted, if it wasn't enough or whatever, you could just come down here and say, can you create it for someone in reading? Okay, so what I've done is I've taken some information that I created for a reading informative letter about MTSS and our math informative letter about MTSS. And the MTSS process is basically what a student goes through whenever they're struggling in reading or math, and what tiers they're in. So if they're in tier 1, that means that they're in regular classes. There's nothing specific that is being done other than what is regularly taught. If they move to tier 2, they're struggling in some way with the curriculum, and they're getting a little bit of extra attention in a small group. And if they're in tier 3, that means that what they were doing in tier 2 wasn't enough, and they needed to move to tier 3, and the teacher would pull them in a small group for 4 days a week instead of 3. And they would give them intensified instruction in whatever we found that they were weak in. So I just want them to analyze, I want Claude to analyze the two different documents and then create me an email to introduce MTSS, the whole MTSS process to parents. So let's see what it does now that it knows my writing style. And so think about this. Okay, so they're telling that they're going to do it. It's starting to generate. You guys, do you see how fast this is? So yeah. So it even addressed my school. And it is just highlighting all the major points. And of course, I mean, like any AI, you're going to need to go through this and just double check that everything follows what you would want it to do. And if for some reason anything wasn't right, then you could just change it and edit it out. So I hope that this has helped you to see what it could do for you. I absolutely love Claude. I love ChatGPT. I love them both for different reasons. And you don't have to, like I said, you don't have to have the paid subscription to do this. So have a great day.